Hi there, I'm Graham Lewis, and in this short video we're going to solve the equation tan x equals 3.2 in radian measure using the method of general solutions. That is getting a formula for the infinite number of solutions. So firstly we have to remind ourselves that tan x is a many-to-one function. That is, many x's go to one y. So at the moment it doesn't have an inverse function, it's not invertible. We need to make it one-to-one, and of course we make it one-to-one by restricting the domain from minus pi over 2 to pi over 2. So once we've restricted the domain to minus pi over 2, we can find the principal value. The principal value is the answer to tan inverse 3.2. It's the answer on this restricted domain to tan x equals 3.2. And if you use your calculator, don't forget to be in radian measure. I did it earlier and I got 1.27 radians, which is pi over 2 is roughly 3 divided by 2. So just a bit bigger than 1.5, isn't it? So 1.27 is about here. So obviously this value here, and that's the 3.2. So we've got our principal value. Now, tan is the easiest of all three, the sine, cosine and tangent, when doing general solutions, because you don't need a secondary value. The tangent curve repeats every pi, the period is pi, so to get the next answer, all you have to do is add a pi, or the one before, subtract a pi. So it's just a case of taking the general solution is just a case of taking the principal value and adding multiples of pi, where n is an element of the integers. Again, it's your counting mechanism, so you can have n is 0 or 1 or minus 1, etc. So let's try that. If we put n equals 0 into the formula to 2 decimal places, we get an answer 1.27. Put n equals 1 into the formula and we get an answer of 1.27 plus pi, which would give us to 2 decimal places 4.41. And then n equals 2 into the formula, you get 1.27 plus 2 pi, and if you use your calculator you get 7.55. So I've just generated 3 answers. This formula here is all of the answers, the infinite number, and you can use that formula to generate all answers. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video on tan x using general solutions, please check out my other videos on sin x and cos x, and also I've done a tricky one as well. Thank you very much.